Hey future doctors and engineers, get ready to supercharge your entrance exam prep with Brilliant Study Center's Crash Course 2025. We are India's #1 coaching center for NEET and JEE, and we are here to help you achieve your dreams. If you are aiming for medical, engineering or CUET exams, Brilliant's Crash Course 2025 is your ultimate choice, especially in Kerala. Why choose Brilliant? Let's talk about the results. Our 40-year legacy just hit a new high with Srinand Sharma's perfect 720 out of 720 in NEET 2024, securing All India rank 1. And get this, the top 9 ranks in Kerala, all are Brilliant students. Last year alone, we secured over 5,100 MBBS and 6,000 plus engineering admissions nationwide. Our students consistently ace Kerala Engineering, JEE Advanced and JEE Mains. Over 200 Brilliant students are now at IITs and 600 plus at NITs, plus many more at prestigious institutions like IIITs, ISA, IISc, BITSAT, CMI and ISI. Let's go through the different facilities you will get. Top-notch faculty, learn from India's best professors, free tuition classes, extra help when you need it, AI-powered e-learning, access our cutting-edge app, personal mentor support, get personalized guidance, daily exams which helps to stay sharp and on track, doubt clearance, get all your questions answered, professional counseling, expert advice for your future, scholarships 10 to a whooping 100%. Imagine this, if you could snag up to a 100% scholarship, students with over 96% in state, CBSE or ICSE boards, you are in a treat with a scholarship ranging from 10% to 100%. Don't let this chance slip away. You will also receive a comprehensive 9+1 material package including study materials, previous year question papers and brain pointers. Plus, our ChatGPT powered e-learning app offers a free board exam tuition, in-depth entrance classes, a massive question bank and instant doubt clearance. Ready to make your dreams a reality? Call the number given below or click the link in the description. Let's do this.
Brilliant Study Center, India's #1 coaching center for NEET and JEE.